See, the IT hardware business, if we talk about, is a very thin market, very, very thin margin product. And if you add the value of the services, upgrade the product, what you are selling to the customer, and train your members for that, whatever the services we can add to that, and how convenient we can make it for the customer to pick the product and make the services hybrid. Because FITA has been fighting for the online for the long time, but the customer behavior has changed, and if we don't go for the hybrid services, we have to reach out to the customer, we don't get the value of the product, we don't get the margins. So just selling a box can never give you a margin. You have to add on there, you have to add your value, customer satisfaction, then only something will be coming. One very, very important thing is, whatever the payments our partners are getting, our members are getting from the brand, the conduit is the officers of the company. We always have the agreement which has got a very, very fine print and is a one-way drafted document. Not much can be done about it. And even if you don't sign that agreement, your dealership and your business is jeopardized. But lots of things come as a program letters and also as a, we say, commitments from the field staff, which may not be correct, which may not be very fruitful, and you may ultimately go into the disputes. Associations keep on getting those disputes that this was the commitment from the brand or something is happening. My suggestion will be all to the entire channel community will be, there is nothing called verbal communication. Companies don't pay anything which is not in document. They cannot pay, in fact, because they are all corporate, they have got their own policies. So we have to keep a word of caution. Everything has to be documented. Anything coming which is not in writing from the company and is communicated, please do send a mail on that and bring it on record and at least rope in 2 higher authorities from the person who is communicating to you so that your claim is validated. That's a very, very important thing, and we should refrain from all such claims.